January 2026 session of Link Builders Challenge. Let's go ahead and get started with last month's. I haven't got the stats up yet, you guys. I'm so sorry. I'm a little bit behind on everything. I will try to get those up this week prior to my travel next week to Rootstech. So I leave on Sunday. So lots of traveling going on. But let's go ahead and look at the scoreboard for January. Let's see here. You guys did an awesome job.
96.
We had 30 people taking part. Great job, everybody. And it looks like, Danita, you were in the top score there with Amanda followed up. And then it looks like we had a new person, Dennis, and then Ann, and then Hillary. Congratulations, you guys. Top 5.
So four out of the 5 of us are actually in the call.
Yeah, it's nice. So we had 2,182 ancestors that got links built back to them. Let's see how many links are total were built here. I'm going to just go over to my sandbox little sheet here where I plop in the total 2,714 links built back to those ancestors. That's an amazing job.
Wow. Yeah.
That's great.
I'm lagging way behind. Sorry, y'all. I just got too many other things on my plate, and I forget to do the link builder part. But I'll get the hang of it.
Well, I'm right behind you, Denise. Look at it. We got 2. Hey, we got 2. Oh, okay, and so some question that comes up, sometimes I just want to answer it in this video so that anybody who's watching after the fact will know. It is nice if you're new to the challenge, if you can answer the post, just so that I have your WikiTree ID and I can add it to the spreadsheet. But if you're a returning member doing it, don't worry about answering that post if you don't want to. It's great if you can, because it brings it up into the G2G feed for everyone. So like if different people answer throughout the month, it's great because it kind of keeps it up there. But yeah, if you don't, if you have been doing the challenge and I have your ID, you don't have to worry about it. So it isn't one of those challenges that you have to actually register on G2G for every month. All right, so let's now see where we're at for this month so far. So we have 1,271 ancestors that were built back to by 23 members. And I'll grab this right here, see where we're at. Oh, it looks like somebody did a Discogs. And a total of 1,483 links were built back to those ancestors. That's awesome. So did I even get any in this month? I don't think I'm even on the sheet yet. I have to get one in. At least one. So that's great that somebody was able to do Discogs. I like to see those kind of different ones getting some love out there. Oh. Does anybody want to share what they've been working on, or does anybody have any questions, or what do you guys want to chat about today?
That's why I can smack myself, because I'm working on Find a Grave data doctor items. So yeah. I should be, my numbers should be high in that area, but like I said, I forget.
Yeah.
I've been doing the data doctors of find a grave, and that's what I've been doing a lot, is that one. And plus I've been doing my 18 to 18, and that really helps.
Oh, good. Good. All right.
I tend to do the ones on Family Search, and those are the easiest ones to do, because I've got WikiTree Sourcer on. In WikiTree Sourcer will bring information both ways for me. So if I'm updating profiles, I've got a whole load of profiles that I orphaned that I've got in a category, personal category, that I'm trying to remember to go and update. And so if I work on them, they're ideal ones to work on, because the chances are I may have worked on them in Family Search previously. So that's what I find is the easiest one. And to be honest, for anybody that's got WikiTree Sourcer, that probably is the easiest one. I other than perhaps Ancestry, I don't know. I haven't tried the Ancestry one, because WikiTree Sourcer will help you with doing links on Ancestry as well, won't it?
Yeah. So I'll go ahead and go through a couple, and that way I can get some points. So I can get on the scoreboard. So
can you go through the Ancestry one for me?
Yeah, I will. Okay, so here's an example profile of one I did. I created this last weekend on my visit to my cousin. And so on the WikiTree profile, just go to the sorcerer icon and do Save Person Data. And now I'm just going to scroll down to his Ancestry record link there. And then I'm going to bring up also Find a Grave and Family Search while I'm at it, just to do both. Ancestry is really cool because it does it all in one go. You don't even have to press the save button. So I like the Ancestry one. So you just go to the sorcerer icon now. Once you're on the record you want to save the information to, and it's right here, add link builder comment referencing that profile, and there it is, all in one and done. Wow. Even presses the button for you. So I'm just going to do this one more. One was the birth record and one's the baptism record. I just have to refresh here. Let's see here. Oh, it lost the. I wonder if Rob knows it does that. Save person data. Huh. Oh, okay. So some records on Ancestry, there is no place to leave a public comment. That's why it wasn't giving me the option. Because some of the records, you don't have the option to leave that public comment. Okay. And here is Find a Grave. This one, you still have to go into Leave a Flower and go to your scrapbook, and I'll link here on the video somewhere, a link to the Saturday morning broadcast where I walked through how you can add an image to your scrapbook. So I like to do the heart. Now, once you're in the place to leave a note, it should give you, yes, add link builder flower note referencing that profile. So it's all good to go. You just do add flower and note. So it's really nice. And then here is Family Search. These are our top 3 websites that we have people building links to. If you go into the Sources tab and add source, add new source, go to Sorcerer, set fields from person data, and it fills it all in for you. Even the tags here. And there you go. And it's usually towards the bottom because there's no date associated.
And I don't have to click on a challenge tracker or anything, right?
Yes, you do. So back on the Ancestors profile, just the profile menu option is the second one. Challenge tracker. And then link builders is down here. And I did Family Search, Ancestry, and Find a Grave.
Okay.
And if you're doing another challenge, you can, as long as you have those hint words in there, you can do the other challenge. You can mark the other challenges as well at the same time, as long as you also include these keywords that the score sheet is looking for. It'll take it.
Okay. So you're going to get 3 points instead of 1 when you click on add point.
Nope, just 1 point. It counts the ancestor. And then, so on the score sheet, you'll see it's breaking it out by site.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah, so that's how, that's why I give you two numbers when I do the stats is, so I give you, this is the total number of ancestors that we're linked to. That's that 1 point.
Mm-hmm.
And then I total out how many links were actually built. So that I just did 3 links to that one ancestor.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah. So that's that other number. And I do.
Okay. I'll try to remember.
I do track the stats by site and by month and by member. So what I do is I pull in the score sheet. Oh, this is a bad example because I haven't done the one for January yet. So let me bring up 2025, which is kind of a cool one to look at since it's a whole year. Let's see here. Where's it at? Here we go. So here's Link Builders Challenge for 2025. So here are all the IDs, and you can see each month how many links were built by each person and how many ancestors were built back to by each person. So these are the quarters. So I got all the stats for you guys. If you want to nerd out on some numbers, I've got all the numbers for you. So it's kind of fun. And then I have stats by site. So here's how we did last year. So it's kind of nice to know how much is being done for all the different sites. I guess I could zoom in on that for you guys. Sorry about that.
Awesome. Awesome.
Yeah, so a total links built last year, 32,617.
Wow.
That's so cool. Yeah. All right. You guys want to
I think now we should really, if we all remembered, get it better this year because we've got an easier way of doing it. But having said that, it's remembering to do it. And also how I think I know for me, from my point of view, often my numbers go up when we get Connectathon or something. Because if I'm adding new profiles in, I quite often do the linking then.
Yeah, I agree, definitely. I was just gonna look at how we did in 2024 because I think that was our first year. Let me just yeah, here we go. Link Builders 2024. Yeah, so we did 2024 by site. Let's see here. So yeah, we did a lot better last year. Just a little under twice as much. So in 2024, we did 17,862 links. So this in 2025, we did over 32,000. So, but of course, in January, February, we didn't have the tracker yet either. So that was the first 2 months of the year in 2024 were really low because we didn't have that trackers yet. So I think that's why the numbers are might be a little skewed that way. But still, even if we had done 1,000 each month or 2,000, we still would have been less than what we did last year. So we're definitely getting better and growing.
Yeah.
Which is nice to see.
Yeah. I noticed there's more people doing it as well. There's more people on the scoreboard. So
yeah, and it was really great, Denise. Thank you so much for having me do that on the Saturday roundup because I think it got some more attention that way. More people learned about it. Greg learned about it. Greg got on the scoreboard.
That's right. Yeah, that's the idea.
Yeah. Pull more people in.
Awesome.
Very cool. All right. So any other any other topics or anything, any other websites you guys want to see me do, or maybe you want to share something? You guys can share your screen if you have something you want to share.
Well, I can share and show you what I've been doing wrong with Ancestry.
Oh, sure.
Now that I've watched you again.
Oh, yeah.
Because
you should be able to share because you're host. Just don't want to make sure. Let's see. Yep, you should be able to share.
Okay. Let me see here. Do I have a? Yeah, here we go. Excuse the number of tabs I have open. But if can you see this? I've got a Ancestry screen up.
Not yet. I'm not. Can you guys see it? I can't see it yet. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. Yeah, now I see it.
It's up now.
Yeah.
So you see this little box right here?
Yeah.
That's what I've been populating.
Okay, that's so WikiTree B.
Yeah, and that's what I that's not the same thing as the link builder piece. So that's what I've been populating. I'll go back to God, am I losing my mind? I'll go back to WikiTree to her profile and put her ID in there. Now she's living, so I can't do it for her, but I can do it for her mom. And go back to her profile in WikiTree and get that, copy that link and put it there. And that's what I thought it was doing, but it's not doing that. So for each one of these, when I do that, it turns this yellow, and then I'm able to actually click on that and pop back into WikiTree.
Yeah, but you're the only one who sees that. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So
I think I have to make a couple of sticky notes saying, be sure to go to the tracker.
Yeah, that's a good idea, Anne. I probably do have to stick one on my screen.
I was on another person's ancestry tree, and then I found all the graves that belong to WikiTree. It had the link, like Denise said, that goes straight to WikiTree, but didn't have a flower. Can I still put the flower in, even though it does go straight to WikiTree?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah. Yeah, because the WikiTree B extension is just viewable by you and anybody else who has it installed. Okay. Not just by the general public. So the flower is viewable by everybody.
Ooh, goody! Because because I found a whole family of 12 children that.
Nice. There you go. 12 points. Racking them up.
Thank you.
Yeah, anytime. Any questions? And it can be questions about anything you guys have. So.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Amanda has a process.
Yep.
Add category, open find a grave, add ID,
mm-hmm.
add flower, add link builder. That's great.
Yep.
Add LB. What's that?
Link builder.
No.
LBs.
Yeah.
I'm just having one of those days.
It's like it's a really Monday and not Tuesday, you know?
Yeah.
Yep. Oh.
All right. Well, if nobody has anything else, I'll let you guys get going back to it. And
yep, sounds good.
All right. Bye.
Bye.